today's adventure, I'm sanding my house. So I took this and I scraped off all the paint, all the loose paint that I could. And then I'm going to use the sander to make everything flat and smooth. That way when I paint it, I'll have a nice smooth surface. So, if I'm doing it wrong, I'm not 100% on it, so no criticism. This bag keeps all the dust from flying in your face. So you just have to take this thing, put it on there, pop your holes in it. You just push it all down, pull it off. And now since it has the holes, in it, the dust will go into here. But it only halfway works, so you still want to wear a mask when you do this. So mask on. And take this, turn it on. So I'm just making sure that all this is smooth. All these little edges are smooth. Perfect. And then once I'm done, I can go ahead and paint everything. Whew. So that's what I've been doing on today's adventure for the past few days.